This video is going to show you how to do page 4 out of your math book. So you'll see right here that we've got the probability scale that we've talked about previously. And just to refresh your memory, right over here on the left-hand side of the probability scale, these events would be impossible to happen. And then on the other side of the probability scale, these events would be certain to happen. And right in the middle, it's equally likely to occur or not occur. So there's somewhere in the middle is how you describe those. And if something's likely to occur, it would have kind of like a 75% chance of happening, whereas unlikely would have about a 25% chance of happening, okay? So for these, I want you to decide whether or where each event would be located on the scale above. Place the letter for each event in the appropriate place on the probability scale. So it says, you will see a live dinosaur on the way home from school today. Where would we place that? Well, think about it. Since live dinosaurs are extinct, we would place letter A on the impossible portion of the probability scale because that's a 0% chance of happening. Okay? A solid rock dropped in water will sink. Well, that's for sure going to happen. Okay? Now that we've done two examples together, I'm going to go ahead and just read them to you, and I want you to place them on the probability scale, okay? C says a round disc with one side red and the other side yellow will land yellow side up when flipped. D says a spinner with 4 equal parts, numbered 1 through 4, will land on the 4 on the next spin. E says your full name will be drawn when a full name is selected randomly from a bag containing the full names of all the students in your class. F, a red cube will be drawn when a cube is selected from a bag that has 5 blue cubes and 5 red cubes. And G, tomorrow the temperature outside will be negative 250 degrees. Okay, go ahead and place those on the probability scale. And this is what you should have gotten. And E would probably go about right there. And then D would have a 25% chance of happening, so go right there. Okay. All right, down below, number 6. Design a spinner so that the probability of spinning a green is 1. So 1, or 100%, would be a certain event. So we know when you land on green, it would certainly happen, like for sure, for sure, for sure. So here's my spinner. I'm just going to make the whole thing green. Okay. And then pretend there's a spinner there. Like that, okay? Or you could do something like where you got some equal parts like this. And then I'm going to label all of them green. Okay? And then whenever you're designing your own spinner, when you're doing theoretical probability, just assume that the spinner will never ever land right in the middle. In this case, it wouldn't really matter, but okay, there we go.